नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेवियन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. So students, today's topic is charge transfer spectrum. So the charge transfer band arises from the movement of electrons between orbitals that are predominantly ligand in a character and orbitals that are predominantly metal in a character. So basically the charge transfer spectra is a interaction between metal and ligand. So these kind of transition are identified by their high intensity and selectivity of their energies to solvent polarity. The absorption from charge transfer spectra is more intense as compared to DD transition. The charge transfer spectra are mainly two types. The first is ligand to metal charge transfer spectra. It is also known as LMCT. The second is metal to ligand charge transfer spectra, MLCT transition. In LMCT, the transition, the migration of electron is from ligand to metal, and in metal ligand charge transfer spectra, the migration of electron is from metal to ligand. So the first is ligand to metal charge transfer spectra. In this kind of spectra, the ligand poses sigma, sigma star, pi, pi star, and non-bonding, which is n molecule orbital. If the ligand molecule orbitals are full, you can see the red color of a ligand orbital which are completely filled. Then the charge transfer may occur from the ligand molecule orbital to the empty or partially filled metal d orbital. The LMCT transition result in an intense bend. The forbidden DD transition may also take place to give rise to weak absorption. In this diagram here you can see that the field orbital of ligand, okay, and the half field unfilled orbital of metal. Okay, so the interaction between the ligand to metal is you can see here in T2G and EG of a metal, central metal atom. Okay, the next is metal to ligand charge transfer spectrum. So if the metal is a low oxidation state, like but it is an electron, and the ligand poses empty orbital, for example CO or Ca, Cn negative, the ligand metal charge transfer transition are common for the coordination compound having a pi acceptor ligands. Upon the absorption of a light, electron in the metal orbital are excited to the ligand pi star orbital, and MLCT transition result in intense band. The forbidden transition is DD transition, is also occur in this kind of cases. This transition result in oxidation of a metal. Oxidation process is occur. So you can see the empty orbitals of a ligand interacted with the field orbital of a field orbital of a metal ion. Okay. Now this is the example of charge transfer spectra. In this diagram you can see the in a red color the ligand to metal charge transition, and in a green color you can see metal to ligand charge transition. So the transition from sigma to sigma star is ligand to metal charge transfer, and transition from pi to pi star is a metal to ligand charge transition. Okay, you can see the DD transition, the energy for the ligand to metal charge transfer is much higher. You can see in this diagram. Okay, so the effect of solvent of the polarity on a charge transfer spectrum. So, if you prepare a sample for a UV and visible experiment and you decided to use a polar solvent, okay, so you have to choose some particular wavelength for this kind of shift. So, both the ground state and excited state for that solvent are neutral. It should be neutral. The excited state is a polar, but the ground state is a neutral. Also, the ground state and excited state is a polar. The ground state is polar and the excited state is a neutral. So these are some conditions which you can use the having these kind of characteristic solvent you can use for determining the charge transfer spectrum. Thank you very much.